Hi everyone, welcome back to Good Brothers. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about our 6 months of tasting clubs. You may have seen on social media, but we've relaunched for 2021 the Good Brothers Tasting Club. Each month we will be releasing a different theme. January is Mediterranean coast of Spain. February is USA, West Coast. Each month we'll be releasing a little snippet like this, 2 or 3 minutes, to whet your appetite before you buy your packs. Talk you through what we're doing and let you know what fun is to come. Let's get started. This month we're looking at Mediterranean Spain. A real passion for me. Those of you who watched these videos before, you know that I love Spain and the wine it makes. Partly because my wife's Spanish and I have to. So we're looking at everything from Catalonia down to Alicante in this month's tasting pack. We're looking at the Baudili, which is a Xarel·lo and Parera blend from up in Penedes. Acustic cellars, again up in Penedes, around Monstant, around about the Parera area. Brilliant wine, big and rich. We're looking at the mega bonkers Clar. This is packed full of weird aromatics, skin contact. It's rich, it's grippy, kind of orange in nature. Amazing. El Vinyerons Tempranillo, the Saltamarti. Now this is not like any Tempranillo I've tasted before. With Tempranillo you think Rioja, you think rich, big, heavy bite. This is soft, it's gentle, it's almost Pinot Noir-esque. Absolutely cracking. And then we head down the coast to Jamilla, just north of Alicante, inland, big Monastrel, organic, biodynamic. To join us in our wine club, just head down below and click on the link to the website, which will take you right across. You can sign up for a month, 6 or 12, and we deliver to your door. What more is there not to love? So, until we speak again, I've been Graham, this has been the Good Brothers Wine Club, and we'll catch you soon. And remember, drink better wine.